Hey guys, so today we're going to be taking a look at the Meguiar's Hot Rims Black Wheel Cleaner, and we're going to be testing it out on our 2023 Dodge Challenger Shakedown. But before we get into that, first a quick word from our sponsor.
Today's video is sponsored by Land Air Sea. Keep tabs on all your valuable assets from the palm of your hand. Remember, with Land Air Sea, theft is temporary. Visit landairSea.com to order your Land Air Sea GPS unit for your classic vehicle.
Okay, so today we're going to be just talking a little bit about this product which Meguiar's sent us, so thank you very much, Meguiar's. We're going to be testing today on our 2023 Dodge Challenger Shakedown. And now specifically, this is the Hot Rims Black Wheel Cleaner. Now this is formulated specifically for black wheels, and there's a couple of different reasons that they did that. So first of all, this is a sort of gel-focused cleaner that we're going to be applying here, and does require water to rinse off after you've cleaned it, so it's not so much a quick detailing product, but more something you would do, let's say, the day before you take it to a car show. So, as far as just applying it, the main reason it exists is mostly because black wheels are a little bit more delicate in terms of what you do to the finishes. This specific product can work on any sort of black wheel, whether you have black chrome, satin, gloss, or even matte finishes. This will be able to be applied to all of it. So in this case, we actually have the satin black wheels on our Shakedown here, which is what we're going to be testing it on. Now the thing with black wheels is, like I mentioned earlier, they are fairly delicate, and you don't want to mess up that finish, because if you do, it's going to be even more obvious on black wheels. So this will be make sure to get rid of all of that brake dust, random dirt and grime that can build up on your wheels as they get driven down the road, driven through puddles, whatever the case is. This will be sure to remove that while being delicate to the wheels itself, and we'll be testing today to see how the results look on our brand new 2023 Dodge Challenger Shakedown. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do to go ahead and apply this is go ahead and spray it on. So you don't want the wheel to be wet before you apply this. You apply straight on and then you rinse it off after the fact. So the first thing we're going to do is get an even coat of coverage. So I'm just going to kind of spray this all over the wheel. And you can see it comes out nice, white, foamy, sort of gel-like. So it's all hanging on the wheel. So now what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to let this sit for a minute, and then we'll come back to be able to hose it off and take it from there. So we'll go ahead, we'll go all around the car, do all of the wheels, and then we'll come back and see what this looks like once we've rinsed it off. Okay, so now that we've let that coating sit on there for a minute, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and spray it down, and then we're gonna have to wipe the wheel down with our microfiber towel. It's important not to let the product dry on there, otherwise you're gonna get some streaky leftover mess, and that's not what we want. So let's go ahead, we'll just spray everything down here. Okay, so we finished up detailing this front wheel, and you can even see compared to the back wheel, we actually managed to take off all of the brake dust and just general dirt buildup that was on the exterior of this wheel. And I have to say, the finish itself is really impressive. It's managed to maintain our satin shine, so the product didn't introduce any gloss finish or anything like that. Our wheel looks just like it would have rolling off of the Dodge factory. Now, if you needed to see any proof of what it's taken off, you can see this is our bright orange microfiber towel, which is now very, very dirty, thanks to all of the dirt and everything that it took off of our awesome wheel and the brake dust created by our SRT Brembo brakes on the Shakedown. So all in all, pretty awesome product. This is what it looks like if you're interested in checking it out for yourself. You can see if the results are something that you're interested in. Of course, this product is generally available at any auto parts store or even just general detailing store online if that's your preferred method of picking it up. So you can check it out for yourself. And again, special thanks to Meguiar's for sending us this bottle so we can give it a try on our beautiful Shakedown sitting behind us here. If you guys enjoyed the product, let me know down below if you guys have used it before and what you think. And if you enjoyed the video, could hit that like button for us. We really appreciate it. And consider getting subscribed for more content like that in the future. Thank you so much for watching.